are we going to do now, George?
So now we're going to remove the engine from the bike.
So next time you see us,
Yeah.
the engine will be out. Hopefully a new engine in.
Oh, well done, mate. That's good. I was doing that anyway, didn't I?
Let's fix this. These go clean now. You've got a big silence on the bottom here, mate. Or is that the cat?
That's the cat.
That's
the
huge.
cat and the silencer, mate.
That is huge.
Because it's Euro 4.
I find it funny you've got a massive plug going into it and a tiny little dig plug going out the back of it.
Yeah, I know.
So
it's back on.
An All the Gear Some Idea top tip. We've got the front sprocket cover off now. As you can see, these teeth here, they're starting to wear. You can see they're just starting to curl on the tips. And that one looks like the end of it's actually snapped off. So it's an ideal time to be changing the sprocket. But seeing as George has got a new engine to be fitted, we're hoping the sprocket on that one is okay. If not, it will get changed at a later date, or maybe before he starts riding it. But like I say, I'm sure the one on the other engine is okay. So we'll probably do a comparison so you can see what the difference between the two is. But yeah, if your sprocket looks like that, it's the same with rear sprockets. This one looks okay. The teeth on that one looks like it's been changed fairly recently. So
it's weird how they've changed the chain.
Yeah.
Done the with chain.
Yeah.
But they haven't said, oh, by the way, you need a front sprocket.
Yeah.
Because the guy that I bought it from seemed very genuine that he would have just had it done.
Yeah, yeah. It was like you were saying about the garage that you took it to.
Yeah.
They were a bit hit and miss.
I don't know if it was the garage that it was at that present time, but it was a bit like they would do a really good job, but they'd always miss one thing. Might be the same garage had done the chain. Yeah. But they missed the fact that the front sprocket's going to be on its way out, and then new chain and sprocket required again.
But I mean, looking at this engine compared to your new one.
Oh yeah, this is minging.
It's night and day.
Yeah, this is minging.
Yeah. Right. Cool.
Sweet man. So to remove the engine, we've got a nut in here, which I believe the bolt side is on your side, Lee.
Yeah.
In the hole. And then you've got one up here, and you've also got two that hold that bracket on. I'm not sure if we need to take that off yet to make it easier to pull the engine out.
Possibly, yeah.
And then we've had to take the rear shocks off as well to make it a bit easier. To get the chain off, you've taken the sprocket that you spoke about earlier off, didn't you, as well?
Yep. Yeah, the front sprocket, pulled that off.
Yeah.
Just because it saves messing about, really.
Took the exhaust off. We've taken the pegs off, but that's not for the engine. It's just because we needed to. Other than that,
the only thing we might have to do is put an axle stand under the frame somewhere, as long as this exhaust is...
Well, we can take the exhaust off.
Yeah, perhaps take the exhaust off.
And put the jack underneath it.
Yeah, put a jack underneath with a block of wood.
Yeah.
Just to support the frame, because I'm thinking when we take a swing arm bolt out, the bike's going to want to separate in two.
That's cool. Yeah, we do that. So now we're going to do that, and we'll see you in a bit. So as you can see, the engine is now out. Bit of a struggle, wasn't it?
Yeah, things have been easier, but we got there.
It wasn't so much the lifting it out or undoing the bolts, it was getting the bolt out.
One bolt, wasn't it?
One bolt.
Always one bolt.
This one just down here that goes across here. It was very rusty, had a lot of heat, a lot of hitting at it, and it still didn't go. So we did have to
Grind into the engine.
Yeah. Luckily the engine's obviously going, now it's going to be scrapped anyway, really.
Yeah.
Or kept for spare bits if needed. But if I think the bike's been kept outside for a lot of its life and not been maintained enough, even though it's not high mileage, it's not that old. Obviously that bolt there is where most of the stuff will get into it, and all the dirt and oil and grease and road grime and a lot of water. So it pays dividends to clean your bike quite often, and this just goes to prove why you should do that. So we've given it a little bit of a clean. I want to jet wash it because the swing arm is currently not attached to the bike properly. We're not able to do that. So when the engine's in, we'll give it a jet wash and a clean as it is. Cover all the inlet holes up and everything and go again. So yeah, let's get the engine in. As you can see, it now runs. Don't forget, like, subscribe and join us next time. Thanks for watching.